The goal of being the reliable one is providing an efficient and affordable service to our customers day in and day out.
We support the operation of 4 different generating units, which means that we're generating electricity for over 250,000 customers. We produce over 1,800 megawatts of electricity. All of that production hinges upon the reliable operation of our ZLD plant. If we can't run the ZLD plant, we can't produce electricity. When OUC first built the Stanton Energy Center, we realized that we had a need to meet our permitting requirements to have a ZLD plant. We had originally contracted with a different vendor. Unfortunately, we found out that their product didn't meet our expectations. Our vendor, they spent a lot of time and effort helping us understand their product as well as them understanding our needs.
Stanton Energy Center, like all power plants, needs a vast amount of water to cool the power plants. And we're not located next to a lake or next to a river, so we came up with an innovative way to use wastewater from the county reclamation site. We use that water to cool our power plants, and that saves groundwater.
We've always been a responsible power provider. However, the new regulations are far more stringent. So what that's forcing us to do is look at new technologies, invest a lot more into our current technologies, and make improvements to ensure that we are able to stay competitive. It's a great idea for us to have some subject matter experts on our side, some technical expertise that we can rely on. We have found that they're able to provide both of those to us. In the control room of the ZLD plant is a state-of-the-art control system. It is some of the newest technology available. We chose to put that technology in because it helps us ensure that our plant is going to be as reliable as we can make it.
The control room operator role is to operate the brine plant safely and efficiently. The staff out here does take great pride in being the reliable one, and when it comes time for a startup or a shutdown of a unit, we do it as quickly and as safely as we can.
We realized early on that if we invested first into the process, into the equipment, into the material, we wouldn't have to come back at a later date and make another investment. So we put a lot of time and effort and money into ensuring we had the highest grade equipment possible from the beginning. And the one thing I always stress to people is if you stay within the design constraints when they help you build this process, it will run extremely well. We have a very high availability and reliability. We probably run these things at over 95% on-stream availability continuously. Having the ability to treat the water on site to maintain our permits also enables us to provide reliable electricity to the community. If we can't provide electricity, we're not providing our core product. One thing that matters in enabling us to provide our core product are these process trains. We have 4 25-gallon per minute crystallizers. All 4 are the same size because when we designed and built this plant, we wanted redundancy. In the early days, OUC had a steep learning curve to understand how their process worked. But over the years, as we've gained a lot of knowledge and assistance, we've actually collaborated to make some design improvements to their very own process, which we're very proud of.
OUC is the reliable one for a lot of reasons. It's not just our employees that come to work every day that work hard, the new technologies that we utilize in our plants, their partners that have helped us do that. It's making sure that our customers have that service day in and day out. Every time they flip that switch, they have that reliable power.
The ZLD product goes hand in hand with our company motto, which is OUC the reliable one, and together we make a great team. As long as I see vapor coming out of those stacks, I know that the power plant is on and we're providing a service to the community that I live in. I'm just proud to say that it's great to work here because of that.